3, 2, 1.
Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful, said Albert Schweitzer. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. On behalf of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam, I take immense pleasure in welcoming everyone to the Jubilation Day celebration, where we honor and celebrate the achievements of our dear students in the mid-test examination held in the month of October 2020. To invoke the blessings of the Almighty on this grand occasion, I would like to call upon Madhumita to sing the prayer song.
Give thanks to the Lord our God and King. His love endures forever. For He is good, He's above all things. His love endures forever. Sing praise, sing praise. With a mighty hand and outstretched arm, His love endures forever. For the life that's been reborn, His love endures forever. Sing praise, sing praise, sing praise, sing praise. Forever God is faithful, forever God is strong, forever God is with us, forever, forever and ever.
Thank you, Madhumita. Now, I would like to welcome Kritika to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning to one and all present here. As a great bar once said, small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. It gives me extreme pleasure in delivering the welcome address on the occasion of our second online Jubilation Day celebration. Before I begin, I would like to thank the management of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam for giving me this wonderful opportunity to deliver the welcome address. First and foremost, we are fortunate to have the blessings of our extremely gentle and highly dynamic chairman, Mr. M.V. Muthuramalingam sir. Sir is a constant source of encouragement, always encouraging us to do our best in order to achieve greater heights. We welcome you, dear sir. Next, I would like to welcome our Honorable Director, Shri M.V.M. Sasikumar sir, and Director Ma'am, Srimati Geetanjali Sasikumar ma'am, without whose constant support and encouragement, we would not be here today. Especially our dear Director Ma'am, who always pushes us to achieve our best in our academics. We welcome you, sir and ma'am. I would also like to welcome our most loving and caring teaching and non-teaching staff and my fellow students to this glorious day of celebration. Last and most certainly not the least, I would like to welcome our dear parents, without whose support and love we would most definitely not be here. Your presence at this auspicious day is indeed a blessing to us as a community. Thank you for your continued support in every aspect of life at Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam. Even during this lockdown situation, due to the devastating COVID-19 pandemic, we Velamalians have found ways to succeed. Please sit back and watch us as we celebrate the success of our dear students. Wishing you all a very pleasant day, I once again welcome you all to this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. Now I would like to call upon Varshini to grace us with her performance of the welcome dance.
पाहि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि पाहि मां श्रीराजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि पाहि मां श्री राजराजेश्वरी 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 येहि सुखं देहि सिंहवाहिनि दया प्रवाहिनि मोहिनि येहि सुखं देहि सिंहवाहिनि दया प्रवाहिनि मोहिनि पमरिसा दप पमरिसा निसरि गमप सारि गमप पमरिसा दप पमरिसा निसरि गमप सारि गमप दप मप दप निस पनि सरि सरि गमरिसा सदप मरि सरि गमप पमरिसा दप पमरिसा निसरि गमप सारि गमप दप मप दप निस पनि सरि सरि गमरिसा सदप मरि सरि गमप पाहि मां श्री राजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि पाहि मां श्री राजराजेश्वरी चण्ड मुण्ड खण्डनि महिषभञ्जनि जनरञ्जनि निरञ्जनि भण्ड चण्ड मुण्ड खण्डनि महिषभञ्जनि जनरञ्जनि निरञ्जनि पण्डित श्रीगुहदास पोषिणि सुभाषिणि रिपुभीषणि वरभूषणि पण्डित श्रीगुहदास पोषिणि सुभाषिणि रिपुभीषणि वरभूषणि पमरिसा दप पमरिसा निसरि गमप सारि गमप दप मप दप निस पनि सरि सरि गमरिसा सदप मरि सरि गमप पाहि मां श्री राजराजेश्वरी कृपाकरि शङ्करि पाहि मां श्री राजराजेश्वरी
Thank you, Varshini Devi.
Now comes the moment we have all been waiting for. It is time to honor the achievements of our dear students by awarding certificates for the rank holders, class toppers, and the high achievers in the mid-test examination held in the month of October 2020.
Yes, now it is time to acknowledge rank holders. Roshna Kirti of 6A secured first rank. Sachin of 6A secured second rank. Santoshita of 6E has secured third rank. Jayashree RR of 6D has secured third rank. On to class 7, we have Nikita Stree of 7C secured first rank. Nivita Stree of 7C has secured first rank. Sai Dharini of 7A has secured second rank. Archana of 7D has secured third rank. On to class 8, we have Yakshita of 8C secured first rank. Prithin of 8A secured second rank. Monica of 8A secured third rank. Varun of 8A has secured fourth rank. On to class 9, we have Kritika of class 9A secured first rank. Rubita of 9A secured second rank. Purnima of 9A secured third rank. Congratulations rank holders. Moving on to centum scorers. Vishant of 6A has secured centum in Tamil. Roshna Kirti of 6A secured centum in Tamil. Sara Jasper of 6A has secured centum in Tamil. Ritvika of 6C has secured centum in Tamil. Kirtivasan of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Sanjay Raj of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Shivanandan of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Jayashree RR of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Joan of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Niranjana of 6D has secured centum in Tamil. Arjun RC of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. Kavilash Vinayak of 6C has secured centum in Tamil. Sangamitra of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. Shamita of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. Shivani J of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. Tanushka of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. Srinidhi Vijay of 6E has secured centum in Tamil. On to class 7, we have Nitya Prasant of 7C has secured centum in Tamil. Nikita Sri of 7C has secured centum in Tamil. Vaishali KMP of 7C has secured centum in Tamil. Sai Dharani of 7A has secured centum in Maths. Nivita Sri of 7C has secured centum in Tamil. Nivita Sri of class 7C has secured centum in Maths. Nikita Sri of 7C has secured centum in Maths. Moving on to class 8, we have Akilan of 8A secured centum in Tamil. Monica of 8A secured centum in Tamil. Kishore Kumar of 8B secured centum in Tamil. Harshita of 8B secured centum in Tamil. Kirusha of 8C has secured centum in Tamil. Yakshita of 8C has secured centum in Tamil. Sanjit of 8C has secured centum in Tamil. Leha Varshini of 8C has secured centum in Tamil. Rahastri of 8C has secured centum in Tamil. Prithin of 8A has secured centum in Tamil. Moving on to class 9, we have Imayaditya of 9A secured centum in Science. The fruit of hard work and discipline will finally be reaped. Here are Sara Jasper of 6A with 478, Vishant of 6A with 477, Janani of 6A with 476, Kamalini Susik of 6A with 475, Rishabh of 6A with 473, Tivarshini of 6A with 472, Tejashwa of 6A with 471, Krishna Kumar of 6A with 463, Kritika of 6A with 462, Advait Das with 6A with 461, Tanusha of 6A with 457, Nityashree of 6A with 457, Kirti Ram of 6A with 455, Gayatri Pradeep of 6B with 475, Yuvan Jagan Mogan of 6B with 469, Varsha of 6B with 468, Tejashvi of 6B with 466. Naveen of 6B with 465. Pranav Warrior of 6B with 463. Srinidhi of 6B with 461. Gia Elizabeth Abraham of 6B with 455. Nandana of 6B with 455. Joshika Sri of 6B with 455. Channa Bhavesh Reddy of 6B with 450. Pranav Balaji of 6C with 458. Vanchika of 6C with 458. Krishiv of 6C with 455. Monishwar of 6C with 455. Ashwin of 6C with 454. Ritvika of 6C with 453. Mridul Krishna of 6C with 451. Shivanandan of 6D with 476. Joan of 6D with 476. Jayashree S of 6D with 468. Sanjay Raj of 6D with 465. Niranjana of 6D with 463. Pragadish of 6D with 461. Kirtivasan of 6D with 459. Don Jeffrey of 6D with 455. Kavilash Vinayak of 6E with 481. Srinidhi Vijay of 6E with 480. Shivani J of 6E with 479. Sangamitra K of 6E with 477. Tanushka of 6E with 477. Arjun RC of 6E with 474. Shamita of 6E with 473. Vishnu Prasad of 6E with 463. Harshini Selvaraghavan of 6E with 460. Vishnu Divya of 6E with 450. On to class 7 we have Santosh Kumar of 7A with 484. Tarun Roshan of 7A with 480. Nitin Anand of 7A with 479. Samuel Sivakumar of 7A with 479. Jaya Vishwa of 7A with 475. Pranav Karthikeyan of 7A with 473. Inian of 7A with 458. Niharika of 7A with 451. Vino Sai of 7B with 468. Ayush of 7B with 459. Sanjay of 7B with 457. Darshika of 7C with 458. Vijayan of 7C with 454. Bhavesh of 7C with 453. Lohit of 7C with 452. Monish Khanna of 7C with 452. Sean Franco of 7D with 479. Rahav of 7E with 460. Harshini of 7E with 452. On to class 8 we have Tarun of 8A with 475. Mitusha of 8A with 474. Adishri Anand of 8A with 465. Jeremy Prince Edward of 8A with 461. Agilan of 8A with 460. Pradeep of 8A with 453. Shaktivel of 8A with 450. Aditya of 8B with 475. Sai Arish of 8B with 468. Harshita of 8B with 463. Alan Jerry of 8B with 461. Roshni Devi of 8B with 457. Nityashree of 8B with 454. Lakshita of 8B with 452. Akshaya of 8B with 451. Lehavarshini of 8C with 469. Rahastri of 8C with 469. Mrinalini of 8C with 455. Tarunika of 8C with 454. Adarsh Raghav of 8C with 453. Nandakumar of 8C with 450. On to class 9. Imayadityan of class 9 with 478. Syed Amruddin of class 9 with 475. Advait of class 9 with 474. Nitesh Kumar of class 9 with 474. Emmanuel Thomas of class 9 with 472. Pragadishwaran of class 9 with 471. Rohit of class 9 with 470. Tirumalai Subhastri of class 9 with 467. Sambhavi of class 9 with 464. Harshini of class 9 with 464. Chriswin of class 9 with 463. Hemistry of class 9 with 460. Tarun Aditya of class 9 with 459. Sovereign of class 9 with 459. Yashwini of class 9 with 458. Daksha Suguna of class 9 with 456. Mithul of class 9 with 454. Jessie Anumita of class 9 with 454. Dakshanya of class 9 with 451. Congratulations.
Congratulations, dear students. Your hard work has truly paid off. We have now come to the end of our program for today. I would like to call upon Rubita to deliver the vote of thanks.
A delightful morning to everyone watching the great event. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and more than above your love for us. I, Rubita, the student of Velamal Bodhi campus, consider this occasion as an honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. So first of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman, Shri M.V. Muthuramalingam Sir, for his support and blessings. Thank you, sir. I also thank our Director, M.V.M. Sasikumar Sir, and Director Academics, Srimati Geetanjali Sasikumar Ma'am, for their constant guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear ma'am. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. A teacher's purpose is not to create student in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. With deep reverence and gratitude, we would like to thank our dear teachers for making us what we are today. We place on record the contribution and the effort made by them. Thank you, dear teachers. Your impact on us is everlasting. We are indebted to the members of non-teaching faculty. Undoubtedly, your contributions in various aspects of today's event made a difference. Thank you for your unflinching support. I thank all the parents for their presence. You always help us in carrying out such important events. The essence of the fruit is always tasted at the last, and we believe last will be the best ever. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Velamal Bodhi campus. You are the central focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in this temple of learning. Learn to let go and your hands will be free to conquer your tomorrows. Gratitude costs nothing, but it is a big investment in future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love. May God bless all of us.